I'm Sumit from Andaz TV. Vamshi, it's great to have you on the show.
Thank you, Sumit.
Vamshi, can you tell us a little bit about what Yumi is up to?
Thank you for having me on the show. So Yumi is a video advertising company. We have a video advertising platform as well as an ad network. So wherein we take ad campaigns from some of the top brands like Coke and Home Depot and so on and so forth. We work with 450 plus global TV brands, take their advertising campaigns and put them on publisher sites, and these publisher sites are online, mobile, smart TV, etc. So we are on the digital video ad business.
Fantastic, Vamshi. So it sounds like you guys are capitalizing on the trend of video moving from traditional TV into the online digital realm. How much has that happened? And if this was a baseball game where it was innings, what inning are we in terms of the transformation of media from the traditional channels to online?
A lot of transformation is happening in many dimensions, I would say. So let me start off with, I think we are in probably the third inning or maybe the fourth, and this could go on and on beyond the 9 innings, I would say. So the transformation across various segments. We know internet connections are much better now through Wi-Fi and through 4G, LTE, etc. So the pipe is ready now in terms of internet to serve video streaming content, right? And secondly, the consumers are ready to go with it because they have devices, right? So the devices are the new king in a sense, right? Content is king, but devices probably are the new queen, right?
Right.
Devices such as iPad, tablet, and Android tablets. Microsoft has done Surface tablets as well. iPhone is another good platform for streaming content, for short form content, what we call. Then if you take a look at connected devices to the TV set, right? So we've got smart TVs coming up from LG, which is a customer of Yumi, and Samsung, and set-top boxes like Roku. So all these devices are ready, consumers are embracing these devices, internet connection is ready. Now the content is following these trends in a sense. And when content follows, advertisers follow, right? So that's what we are seeing. And if you kind of look at it, the TV ad market is a $70 billion market. And a lot of the brands are looking at it and saying, hey, I can advertise on TV, but that's when the consumer is sitting in the family room. I want to capture the consumer's attention across the board, wherever the consumer is. Just a little bit ago, we had a LinkedIn data scientist talking about, on the Tycon panel, talking about how consumers, they're doing some data analysis, big data analysis, and they found consumers are using, tablet. It peaks out at 6 a.m. in the morning, and again 6 till 10 p.m. in the morning. Right, so that's great data for us, right? And not just for us, but also brands, because now that's the time where the long-form content, we know from Yumi research studies, long-form content is prime for video consumption. So you piece it all together, now that's where brands want to advertise, on tablets, during morning 6 o'clock or ideally 6 till 10 p.m. So it's a third inning, I would say, but much more to come. It's going to get a lot more interesting.
Right, and as it gets more interesting, I'd imagine it also gets crowded. How do you guys distinguish yourself as the platform that an advertiser should go through versus other options?
Absolutely. So the way we distinguish ourselves is about the brand. We, like I said, we work with 450 plus global brands. We've been in business for 9 years. The company has been established for a long time, working with all these brands and delivering thousands of campaigns. So we have an early player advantage. Companies funded by Excel, Coastline, and many other companies in the tier 1 VC companies. The key product proposition that we have is we embrace the device fragmentation. You alluded to the fact that, how is TV changing, right? TV is changing because consumption is happening in internet connected devices. And we have embraced that. We are the pioneer in connected TV advertising. We are a complete partner for LG, throughout the world, as well as various aspects of the business. So we not only provide the platform and technology and advertising, but also operations as well. So being the first mover and innovating continually. So we believe in one of the key things that shapes this whole thing is knowing the consumer a bit more, right? The LinkedIn anecdote that I just gave you. Where is the consumer? What kind of content is he doing? Knowing research aspects, so we have a big research arm, which we do training analysis together with data. So we made an acquisition of a company called Crowd Science, and that gives us a huge ability to segment audiences and therefore target the ads better. And that results in better engagement for the brands and everyone, the publishers as well as us, are going to realize better monetary benefits from that.
That sounds fantastic. It sounds like you guys have a great vision and a good focus. We wish you the best of luck, and thanks for being on the show.
Thank you, Sumit.
Yep.